Hey, I'm Leo, and I just turned a few dollars into a serious amount of money. Want to know how? Perfect. Let me show you and how you can build an income that changes your life, starting with a small investment. Forget long years of studying and confusing jargon. My strategy is so simple that anyone, even a total beginner, can follow it step by step and start earning. And now this isn't empty talk. Thousands of my community are already seeing a real result. Now it's your turn. Ready to get started? So the current SPAR USD and CAD, and here I assume that the price will go up. Let's open and see how it will work out in this case, because we have an upward trend movement, and there is also crossing of the line and the alligator indicator. While the market is moving, I will tell you how my private club trading network are going. Twice a day we get together and everyone sees the logic of the transaction in real time. There is no guesswork here, of course, and just precise inputs and outputs. The fifth trade closed with positive results and in the price and in the right direction. Let's take our profits. That's how we turn small deals into big wins. But we don't stop there. Let's keep looking. So the next current pair is GBP, USD, and here we will open on the upside. After all, we have got torrent coming up here. Yes, look how confidentially the price went up and also appeared dotted line on the parabolic indicator, and which tell us that in this case, the deal will be more than confident. We can also highlight the support level in this case, and which we also have as price reversal point. That's what he looks like. And here our fifth trade, you can see me opening positions and adjusting them, yes, as the market moves. Yes, friends. The trade is closed. The profit is locked in. That's how we achieve the results. Our position worked out great, really great. So the next current pair, this is where I immediately open myself up to the client, because we have it really simple here. Even a novice can figure out, and we have price reaching a resistance level. We have a sideways trading corridor here. We highlight resistance and support level. In this case, the price is pushing away from the upper boundary, moving toward the lower boundary. This can also be clearly seen in the stochastic indicator. I have friends, another trade closer in plus, and that's how my methodology work in real time. We put together a small corrective move to the downside, and that was enough to come out with a positive result. Let's continue to ramp up our deposits. And you may not how easy is and simple is to do it. You just need to follow an accurate, of course, strategy and use trading indicator correctly. There is tons of advice and strategies online, but you're still losing money and unsure what really works. In my community, there is no confusion or false promise, just proving entry points that brings really profits almost every day. Every session I shared 10 signals, and 18-19% of them are winning trades that actually generate income. Stop wasting time guessing or searching join my club, where everything is designed to help you successful. Find this link below and send me a message now. So next current pair, and what do we have going on here? despite the fact that we have a downtrend and we have the price approach a confident support level. And this tells us that the price will go up, down. So in the future, we can see that is in the opposite direction, and so our session continues, and what you see is that with the right disciplines and logic, even a beginner can understand the market and make the first right moves. Let's see how the deal works on in this case. And that's just a fantastic result, folks. My assumptions don't fail me, as always. It's like a moment like this that make trading ranking profitable and understandable. So the next currency pair is USD and CAD, and here we have the alligator indicator, which tell us that we have a reversal of the trend movement. We're going to check it out with you right now. We will see how it works out. So after a prolonged downward price movement, we can observe the crossing of three lines, which tell us that in the future the price will go in the opposite direction. Yes, another deal closed with a positive result, and these are the moments that distinguish professional trading, when the strategy works and the market plays into our hands. When I first started, I didn't have time to learn complicated charts or endless strategies. I needed something clear and simple that actually works. That's why I room to live trading session every day in my community. Each session give you up to 10 precise signal with exact entry points and all the setting you need. You just watch, copy what I do, and in real time, of course, and follow a clear proven plan, no stress, no confusion, nothing. Click in the link and start making money now. Had your support, I will give you every day. What do we have going on in the next currency pair? And here we have everything quite simple. Even a beginner will actually understand, because we have started lines here and overbought zone, you can see, and it tells us that the price will go down in the future. Yes, friends, the deal, as always, does not tell us done, and that's why it's important to trade according to a clear strategy, no unnecessary emotionals, of course. A great result, of course. I think our stochastic indicators is performing really well, and we are not stopping there. Yes, let's keep looking. Well, let's switch to this currency pair and see what we have here. And here we have price moving in a sideways trading corridor, and here I am assuming that we have price pushing away from the support level in this case. That is why we will not open hedges from lower boundary. And so while wait, yes, to see how this deal works out, I can talk about the bonuses at the club. There we have a regular giveaways, exclusive affiliate offers, and access to premium tools that make trading even more efficient. Plus, actually, at the club we always go over every deal in details. You don't just get signals, you learn to see the market with your own eyes. Boom! Our trade, as always, does not let us down, and look how confident the price went into the direction we wanted. So we can also pay attention to the parabolic indicator, whose lines are formed at the bottom of the short movement, which confirms our entry point. Great result, really great, and we keep long. alligator indicators on this current pair, and what does it tell us? So what's going on here? We have the price moving in a narrow trading toward like downward corridor, and assume that here we have a similar situation. We will push from the support level and go up. Let's see how the trade will work out in this case. Okay, open up and not friends. How important it is to take your times. Yes, sometimes it's better to wait for the perfect signal than to take a risk without like a preparation. Yes, friends, another positive result in our sessions, and it proved that analysis, as always, pay off. And I am very pleased that our strategy has worked itself out, and as always, of course, but we won't stop there. We are interested in like slight difference amount, as always. So we continue it, and let's look at the appropriate situation next. Want to stop trading like randomly and start following a clear plan that really makes money? In my exclusive club, you get live sections like with full breakdowns of every trade and only verified signal that works, so every trade you make is like confident and well informed. This is your like real chance to stop losing money and risk traded and begin making consistent profits you can count on. If you are like ready to quit like a session and start earning and do money, just click join with us and see your financials increase. So the next current pair, parabolic indicator, and here we already have a trend reversal. We have the price pushing away from the lower boundary of this like a trading range, and we connect the price reversal points, and we get a fairly confident downward trading corridor here from the lower boundary of which the price pushes away and goes in the desired direction. By the way, I will be honest, many people think that successful trading requires years of experience. No. The main thing is like to know the right strategy and have support. And in my private community, you will like get bored. And I personally, I'm always in touch with you. Yes. After all, you will like agree that it's much easier to understand the market when you have the support of the club and clear methodology. Yes, friends, I'm very pleased that our strategy, as always, has worked itself out. So, and here you can see how I couch the movements. Yes, that's why it's paid to follow like proven endpoints. We already have a pretty good and impressive amount on the balance, already over 11,000, but doesn't stop as it's anyway, like I say every day, let's do some more trades. So AUD and USD, here we have confirmation to open trade on the Stochastic indicator. Let's open on the downside and see how the trade works out. Remember, friends, every trade is not just number, but is story that we read together to understand the logic of the market movement. That's the signal, folks. Perfect time to enter, and the strategy works like flawlessly. As always, and it's another successful trend, yes, in our trading session. Great result, folks. Actually, great result. Let's switch to this current pair and immediately open the upside. We have some confirming factor here to open the trade up. Well, first of all, it's uptrend, despite the fact that we have a decline in the line on the alligator indicator. Yes, here we are relying on technical analysis here and on solid support level, which we have looking like this. We open it up and are waiting for the position to close. And what you see today, friends, This is just the beginning, because inside the club session is like held every day with new signals and analysis for each trade. And now, as like you can see, we have a reversal of the lines of the alligator indicator. And that's a fantastic result, folks. Did you see that? I tuned in 50 into 28,000. On your next trading session is starting soon, so there is still time to join. You can do it. Time won't wait, of course. Act now and become part of the club by clicking the link below.